Title B1 DTAUMAN EYEXPL 89 VCBEWOLD. Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the limits of your eyesight? What if I told you that entire ecosystems thrive within the smallest drops of water? The unseen world of microscopic organisms, particles, and forces shapes our reality more than we can imagine. Today, we embark on a journey to explore these hidden realms that influence our lives in profound ways. The central theme of our exploration is simple yet powerful. The invisible world holds keys to understanding life itself. From the tiniest microbes that contribute to our health to the particles that make up everything around us. The unseen is a treasure trove of knowledge waiting to be unveiled. Let's dive more scopo systemum IMPORTNCE. Consider this: a single milliliter of seawater can contain millions of microscopic organisms. Isn't it fascinating to think that a tiny droplet can be teeming with life? These microorganisms, including bacteria and phytoplankton, are the foundation of aquatic ecosystems. They produce oxygen, recycle nutrients, and form the basis of the food chain. Why should you care? Because these microscopic beings affect your life directly. They play crucial roles in carbon cycling, which helps regulate Earth's climate. In fact, as oceanographer Sylvia Earle once stated, "No blue, no green." The health of our oceans, driven by these tiny creatures, impacts the air we breathe and the food we eat. Now, let's zoom in further. Did you know that your body is home to trillions of bacteria? It might sound gross, but these microorganisms are vital for your health. Human microbiome, a complex community of bacteria living in our gut, influences digestion, immunity, and even mood. What if balancing this microbiome could optimize your well-being? Research indicates that a healthy gut can improve conditions like anxiety and depression. As author Michael Pollan put it, eat food, not much, mostly plants. By embracing a plant-based diet rich in fiber, you can nourish your gut bacteria and in turn enhance your health. But not all microorganisms are beneficial. Viruses lurk in the shadows, often perceived as harbingers of disease. Yet, they also have their place in the ecosystem. For instance, bacteriophages specifically target harmful bacteria, offering a potential alternative to antibiotics. What's the takeaway here? Understanding viruses is crucial for developing effective treatments and vaccines. As virologist Dr. Robert Gallo stated, "Science is not about certainty, it's about uncertainty." Embracing this uncertainty can lead to breakthroughs that save lives. Let's shift our focus now from living organisms to the fundamental building blocks of matter, atoms and molecules. Have you ever considered that everything you touch is made up of atoms too small to see? Atoms combine to form molecules that dictate the properties of materials around us. This molecular world is where chemistry happens. It's how substances interact and transform. For instance, water's unique properties arise from its molecular structure. If you're enjoying this, consider liking the video and subscribing for more insights. A universal solvent essential for life. So next time you sip a glass of water, remember that it's not just H2O, it's a vital resource shaped by invisible forces. Now let's delve even deeper into the nano world, where things get truly mind-blowing. Nanotechnology manipulates matter at an atomic or molecular scale. Imagine creating materials with extraordinary properties simply by rearranging atoms. Why does this matter? Because nanotechnology is revolutionizing medicine. Think targeted drug delivery systems that attack disease cells while sparing healthy ones. As physicist Richard Feynman once said, "There's plenty of room at the bottom." This field holds immense potential for advancements in various industries. Unesto all of descoal, but how do we observe this invisible world? Enter light, both a blessing and a tool for discovery. Light microscopy allows us to see organisms that are otherwise hidden from view. However, some structures are still too small to be resolved with traditional light microscopes. This is where electron microscopy comes into play. By using electrons instead of light, scientists can visualize structures at the atomic level. It's like upgrading from a standard camera to a high-resolution one. Electron microscopes reveal details that change our understanding of materials and biological processes. Beyond microscopy lies spectroscopy, another powerful method for exploring the unseen. Spectroscopy analyzes light emitted or absorbed by substances to determine their composition and properties. It's like reading a book based on its cover. You can glean information about what lies inside without opening it. Why should you care about spectroscopy? It has real-world applications in fields like environmental science and astronomy. For example, scientists use spectroscopy to analyze distant stars' light spectra to determine their compositions and distances from Earth. As we uncover these hidden realms, let's not forget their impact on pressing global challenges. Microorganisms play a pivotal role in bioremediation, using natural processes to clean up pollutants. They can break down oil spills or detoxify heavy metals in contaminated sites. What does this mean for you? Understanding these processes empowers communities to tackle environmental issues effectively. As biologist Dr. Jane Goodall wisely noted, "What you do makes a difference." Every action counts when confronting environmental degradation. Futuro invisible rem. So, where do we go from here? Advances in technology continue to push the boundaries of what we can observe and understand about the invisible world. New imaging techniques and tools are being developed at a rapid pace. Imagine real-time imaging of cellular processes or mapping complex protein structures. This is becoming a reality thanks to innovations like cryo-electron microscopy. These tools promise to unlock secrets about diseases and lead to new treatments. As we look ahead, remember that curiosity drives scientific discovery. What will you explore next? The unseen world holds endless possibilities for those willing to look beyond the surface. In conclusion, exploring the invisible world reveals connections we often overlook. From microbes that sustain ecosystems to the atoms that compose our surroundings, these elements shape our lives profoundly. As we embrace this knowledge, we gain tools to address global challenges and enhance our well-being. The invisible world is not just an abstract concept, it is a vital part of our reality. So let your curiosity guide you into this unseen realm. Ask questions, seek answers, and never stop exploring. After all, as Albert Einstein said, the important thing is not to stop questioning. Let's continue unveiling the mysteries that lie beyond our perception for a brighter future, both for ourselves and for generations to come. As we wrap up our exploration of the invisible world, consider this: every breath you take is a dance with countless unseen entities, each playing a role in the grand tapestry of life. So, the next time you look at a speck of dust or feel a gentle breeze, remember that there's so much more happening beneath the surface. Why not take a moment today to step outside, embrace the mystery, and let your curiosity guide you? Who knows what incredible stories the invisible realm has yet to reveal to you?